All right. We didn't have the sound. Now we have the sound. Okay, let's go. Thank you, Waffles, for telling us we didn't have sound. All right, we can hear. And is the sound fixed? If you can tell us. All right, we're good now. Let's go. And just as I said, but there was no sound. We're in MakeCode for Minecraft Education Edition. And this is a coding activity you can do using your school account if you're an Office 365 account. If it doesn't work, check out the YouTube movie links and we'll be able to, there's instructions on how to unlock the game. Nice, Nell. All right, let's go. Let's get into it.
I found that out a few days ago.
All right, and we're going to create a new flat world. It's the block of grass. It's kind of a favorite template when we want to
set world spawn to have a new player begin playing where you are standing. Oh, that's so cool. I want to try that.
Hold on 1 second. Whoa. All right. Well, let's go into the coding. And to do that, we're going to... Should we go into coding?
I forgot coordinates.
I think we can turn them on in settings.
I need coordinates.
Sure, coordinates. And also always day. So there's always day, yes. And then there's one more that's really cool.
Where?
If you go into the classroom settings, you can say perfect weather.
Oh, wait. Player damage.
No, that means you can't change the world. All right. So, we're scientists today. Okay.
A girl one.
A girl scientist. Very cool.
She's not very...
Yeah, she has a blouse or whatever it's called. Okay. And we're going to enter coding by pressing C.
C for coding.
And here we are in MakeCode. If you see a dialog the first time, then, click on MakeCode. And today, Nell, what are we doing? What do you want to do?
I don't know.
All right, let's see if there's a cool tutorial we haven't done.
I think we've done all of these.
Okay, we've done all of them. But I was thinking we could do something like a pyramid.
The problem is that it's sort of...
We can make it up on our own.
No, tutorial. Click it. I'll show you exactly how you do it.
It's an example. Yeah, but then we don't understand how to do it. We can try to make it ourselves.
Hey.
Ice Age. What are you doing?
I want to see what it is.
Ooh, okay.
Can I just see what it is?
Yeah, actually,
What?
Wait.
C.
Wait. Let me bring the head back. There we go.
Oh, I know what you have to do. What is that thing?
Well, if this is a great example where you go into someone's code and kind of figure out what's going on.
I need to try it. But I want to see what it is.
First, we need to go back in the code and try to figure out what the code is doing.
What happened?
Something happened, but we don't know what.
I'm on Ice Age, and it says, oh no, we can't use that item.
I think you can. You didn't use it.
Yes, I did.
All right. Well, let's see. What is the code supposed to do? Oh, that's a lot of code.
But I know what it does.
It has layers of lava.
It's Ice Age. So there's lava under, and then there's glass to separate, and then there's ice, and then set bottom corner. Okay, that I don't know.
So we grab a coordinate that's 10 away from us. That make sense?
Yeah.
10, 10. That's east, west, and that's north, south. And then we do another coordinate that's on the other side of the cube. And then we start laying down the layers using some really smart math about coordinates. And then we do some even smarter things where we spawn. What is this?
Tropical
A tropical fish. Oh, we're doing some kind of...
Can we try it? But...
Oh, that's it.
Oh, that's it? What is the...
Oh, wow. You're basically spawning some kind of...
What happened? Look at the fish.
Dead fish scenario. This is like... Oh, yeah, the fish is frozen.
Oh,
and stuck in the stone.
Oh, this seems so cool.
How about we try to build our own aquarium?
Oh, there's a tutorial for that.
But we can make it up.
I tried doing it, but then the video didn't get posted.
All right, so let's go to somewhere else and we're going to build our own aquarium. But we'll do it on our own without this. Oh my god.
Oh.
I'm creating a lot of those.
I want to do more. Can I make one fly?
Sure. Okay, let's go to the code now.
Yeah, there's nothing fun here.
And we're going to try to recreate this. So, go home and start from scratch.
Ice.
No, the aquarium.
But there's a tutorial for that.
Is there?
Yes. I'll show you.
All right, let's do the tutorial.
It's quite hard.
But now we're kind of expert at it.
I did it, but...
It's built a nice and cozy aquarium for our marine friends. Okay.
Okay.
Well, maybe let's go back to a half screen.
Okay.
Schwink.
I love having a tutorial. So let's get both of these things out.
Yeah, we don't need them, so we drag them into the side there. Flings and they're gone.
Okay, now. On item used.
But we want to use the trident because it's cooler and it's also kind of more related to the sea.
Oh, you know, because like in Ariel, the guy's like...
It's Poseidon? The boss of the seas. The king. The god.
String. A trident.
Poseidon. And yeah, and if we want to see if we got it right, there's a little link hint there. And yep, that is correct.
And add a fill to your code to build the game glass structure. Okay.
So we're going to fill
with
glass because we're building a pool, an aquarium.
Oh,
there we go.
Did we do it right? Okay.
Yes.
Oh no, it has that black glass.
Oh, it has a window style of glass.
Window style glass.
I think you can search for glass, maybe. Wait.
Glass.
Let me switch view so that we have more space here. All right.
Okay, that's good. That's...
Can we run this? Can we try if it works?
Let's see. It won't do anything.
So we already have the trident. That's great.
Oh.
And
is
there
this
should
used
be a
for
piece
fighting?
of. There should be a glass. I guess you can hunt fish.
Oh look, I want to see.
Oh yeah.
Oh
totally.
yeah, it's used for fighting.
All right. So I think we're filling something that's too small. Let's go back to the tutorial, and I think we've aced this step, so we can move to the next one.
A size 8. Okay.
8 times 8 times 20.
Should hold enough specimens. Change the form position to 5, 0, 10 and to the position 12, 7, 10 in your fill. We use that, it just tells you.
All right, so we're going to do 5. So that's 5 to the west. 0 is still at our altitude and minus 10. I think the first one, this was minus 10.
It was?
Yeah, because we're going south. And now we're going 12 to the north, 12 to the west. Yeah, looks okay. Now let's walk this trident. Woo! Oh my!
Oh!
Oh!
I'm gonna see. Oh wait.
I
bet.
think we wanted something 20 wide, so I think we wanted -5 maybe. It feels that there's might be a bug in the tutorial. It looks like a skyscraper.
So it doesn't look that pretty.
Yeah, okay, let's keep going in the code. We're probably going to fill it up with air. All right.
That's fine. Oh, so -5?
Yeah, I would put -5 there. It looked too small. Because they said they wanted a 20 wide.
Okay.
All right.
Next, we'll use fill for the...
Oh, you know what? Let's stick at 5 here. Otherwise, it's going to mess everything.
But don't we want air?
I think we want water in it.
Okay.
Because it's an aquarium.
I know, but we want air to break all that thing out.
Yeah, well, the water will do it too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, so we want water.
I'm getting very good.
And we want to be inside, so we have to be 1 block inside. So that's going to be 6. And then 1 block higher, that's going to be 1 block higher than 0.
No, but look.
Oh. Okay. Oh, okay, so there's the ground. We don't care about that. And that's going to be one closer than -10, which is -9. If you look at your number line, if you do -10 plus 1, it's -9. And shaking. Ooh. Oh, this looks cool. Too bad the top is still there. That's really unfortunate. I think maybe we got it wrong. Let's check the code. We want it to be... Oh, okay. All right.
The aquarium is ready.
I think we're going to fix the code because I want to be able to fall from the top. So I'm going to make sure the top still has water.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah.
Can I have a flying aquarium?
It's going to spill a bit.
Oh,
there we go. Perfect.
It's a little piggy.
Yeah.
Little piggy.
The piggy got stuck into the aquarium.
What? It came to me. And plus, it's something for the water.
Oh, this is pretty cool. It looks really good. All right.
Is that what? Oh, yeah, that's my thing.
That's your trident. All right, now.
Okay.
Let's go back to...
Actually, I like the trident. Okay. That's good.
Wait. You want to create multiple fish and coral inside it. So you'll need a repeat loop to create them all. Add 1 to your code. Let's grab a repeat loop and add it.
I want it to be repeated a lot of times.
All right.
Not just 4. Come on. We built a huge aquarium for him. And there's even a trident in there.
Well, we can start with a small number of repeat, and then when really things work, we beef it up. But you can start with something bigger if you want.
9.
9, perfect. All right.
Okay.
And let's check. Oh, yeah. All right.
Let's start with the fish. Put in spawn inside the repeat loop and change it to animal type to your favorite fish.
All right. So we're going to grab this, put it inside, find the fish we want, tropical fish.
Wait.
And we're just going to put it
Like
right
that.
where we are, which doesn't seem to be a great idea, but I'm sure we're going to fix that in the next step.
We'll make the fish spawn randomly inside the aquarium. Set a pick random position inside the spawn and change the from to position
To the same area as the water. All right, so pick random is a cool block we use a lot. And it's going to
randomly pick where the fish is going to go.
It's going to pick a position between 2 3D points. And this should be... So actually, hold on. If you look, we need to be between those 2 points here. So 6, 0, -9. And then we copy the same here. Because that's where we put water. So the fish can spawn anywhere in that water, it's fine. Oh, wait. No, we missed that. And 9. You've got one more mistake. Okay.
Oh, look, water's flowing out.
Yeah.
How?
Something happened.
Oh, here, I must...
Oh, you were flying, so we hit the ground. We can fix that by not, let's fix that. Here,
But
when we
I
fill
just-
the water, we're going to fill one higher so that we always have a bottom full of glass. And then you can do aquarium in the air.
Oh, I want to do that.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, look, my little fishy. Little fishy,
Yeah.
fishy.
That's pretty cool.
Fishy. Fishies. I want to go in here.
What happens if you do a hole on the bottom?
Oh, well then everything falls out.
Right? Let's see it. It might be some cool visual effect. Do you think the fish are going to fall?
Yes, they will.
Can you try
I
it?
don't want to hurt my fishies home. It's hard. Roblox
You have to use
says,
shift to go down. Oh, every time you're going to shoot, you better hit it with another item. Otherwise, you're going to create a ton of aquariums, which you just did.
oh, have I?
Yeah, every time you swing it, every time you use
But
it.
I can't change it, see? Escape.
Yeah, press 4.
Oh.
Punch it. Oh, cool.
That's not cool. I'm breaking my fishy home.
No, but we could do some very nice, like, waterfalls.
Actually, I just
Oh, did
made
the fish fall?
Yes,
Oh, yeah, they
look.
fall.
They're falling.
All right.
Oh, but he's living.
Yeah, he's
great
going up
fish.
he's like a waterfall fish.
The great fish you have lived
Oh,
long
no,
enough.
he's doomed.
Oh, no, they can still live here.
Oh, it's like a fishing pond.
What are you doing?
They got spawned out of the water. It's not really happy.
You're,
All right,
You're alive. You
let's go
should
back
be
to the
happy.
code now.
You should be grateful.
Let's go back to the code now. Okay, so we've
Time to decorate.
decorate. Yeah, there's coral, right?
Yes, there is. And it's
Beautiful.
interesting. Drag a place inside the repeat loop and set block type to your favorite coil. Drag a... Okay, we'll do... Look. Duplicate. I don't have to do that again.
That's very smart. And so you right click.
Oh, no, but it says 0.
I think you want to place an item because it's not a mob. It's
No, but we
a
have to
block.
do 1.
yeah. We'll update it.
Blocks.
And we want to place
So in the repeat?
in the repeat, and we're gonna use this one. There we go. One, yeah, because we decided that we didn't want. Although you're coral.
Where are you? Yeah.
Coral. A-L.
I knew that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh wow.
I like bubble coral.
Let's do that.
Let's try.
You need to go back to the trident. Oh yeah, it's cute. Although it's only on the same line, something's fishy. No pun intended. There. I think we have a bug.
But we did pick random.
Yeah, but maybe we not with the right points because they're all on the same line. Maybe we did a mistake.
Maybe we should do 0 again.
Maybe we should review our code.
Maybe we should do 0 again.
Yeah, let's try. Let's see.
Let's get out of here and go to raw pork chop.
Let's see the code here.
Let's see
All
what 0
right,
does to
hold
it.
on, hold on. Where are you?
I don't know. No.
0. So we're picking. It's funny that it fell on the same location.
Go up, go up, go up, go up. Up, up.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Oh, from
What do we have to take? Oh, that one. Get that one out.
this one?
I don't know.
No, that's the water. Okay, let's create way more. We'll see what happens. Maybe less. Let's start with 100. All right, now let's get somewhere else.
Bye-bye, little fishy fishies. Little fishy fishy.
So this...
I lost my pork chop.
All right, let's try it here. You have to be on the ground. Oh, we create them. Oh yeah, they're there.
Oh.
And because we moved along, they're in 3D now.
This is great. The problem is there's sort of some water issue.
Yeah, it's spilling over.
How is it spilling? Well, at least the fishy fishies have a
I think we put, because we literally replaced the top of the aquarium with water, so, well, it's spilling.
Well, we should not replace it.
Yeah, we're losing all our fish.
Yeah,
That's
I
a
don't want
problem.
my fishy fishies to go away. I'm gonna change it. I demand.
All right, so how do we change that?
So, what was here?
That's the glass. That's fine.
Oh no, wait.
I think you can't go to 7. You have to go to 6. Then the problem is the top is not air, which is a bit annoying. I think we can survive with that. See, now the top is stuck. Oh, it's still spilling.
Is there like too much fish?
I think we have another bug.
What have I done wrong?
Oh, you know what may happen?
What?
I think we might be breaking the glass with the
Trident?
with the coral. If we spawn a coral into the side of the glass, let's inspect the walls. There must be a hole somewhere.
On this side. There is no hole.
You sure? Something's going on.
I see.
Yeah, there's a coral there. Right there.
Oh yeah, but there's always coral.
Maybe...
It looks like a big bathtub.
Yeah. This is weird.
Maybe.
I don't think I know enough about Minecraft to explain this.
We all
Anybody
do.
can explain that, just send us a message on the chat. Definitely it's falling off because there's coral at the bottom, which is very cool.
I found a hole.
Yeah. So because we're spawning the coral in the glass, it replaces the glass, and then it falls. It's pretty cool though.
Uh-oh. Don't go outside. We're safe here. And I promise
It
you.
makes for a cool effect. Oh, you're doing so many. Every time you do that, we get one more aquarium, right? There's a lot of nested aquariums.
We didn't find any. We didn't get any more aquariums.
Because we kind of put them on the same spot.
We did?
Yeah.
No, we didn't.
All right, let's see if we finish the tutorial.
We did.
Oh, you can do more.
Oh!
Holy moly!
Back then I didn't know how to repeat, so...
Do you remember about the arrays? We could use arrays.
What's that?
Well, array is a way to handle list of things.
Oh yeah,
You know,
that.
So we could do an array with all the corals we want to spawn and then use that. You want to try?
Can we add ice? I want it to become
All right,
ice
let's add
age.
ice.
Can I do my own touch?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
This is all
I'm
the
gonna
fun
do
of coding.
I'm gonna do it all by myself.
All
You're just
right.
gonna have to help me with every single little thing. Okay. No.
Oh, you're doing fill? Okay.
It has to be on top. How do we make it like ice on top?
You have to figure out let's do it here so we can look at the numbers. All right, so the top of, so let's figure out what's the top as far as this number. It's going to be 7. What's the altitude of the top?
0 or 1 or 7. I don't know.
Well, 0 is the ground. And that is the maximum altitude of the glass. So you want to be right above the glass? Or
Yes.
you want to be... How about replace the glass? So do 7. 7 on both. Now you want to cover the whole aquarium, right?
Yes, I do.
So we need to copy these 4 coordinates.
Okay, so 11.
You sure?
Oh,
So start from 6, then this is minus 9,
negative 9.
and we've got
11.
and 9. All right, and what do you want? We're spawning dirt right now. Oh, you want to put it after?
Yeah. So all the fishies can go. Maybe we don't spawn that much coal.
All
I
right.
made a deal.
A trade-off.
Yes, because I was getting annoyed. Ice. Packed ice, blue ice.
Ice.
Okay.
All right, let's try it. So we're gonna have a cap of ice.
No. This is not good. Now I have to spawn.
Oh, what are you gonna spawn? Fish? You could copy the whole repeat.
I want to spawn.
Just copy right-click on repeat and copy everything.
What repeat? I don't want to spawn that. I don't want to spawn that. I want to spawn. Let's see.
What are we spawning today?
Polar bear.
A polar bear. Oh, nice. 2 polar bears.
No.
Where are you gonna spawn them?
And a wolf.
And a wolf.
We're gonna spawn them right on top.
Okay, so you have to change the coordinates.
Can I just take those coordinates?
Nope.
No. 6, 7, negative 9.
Yeah, that's gonna be right on the corner. So maybe you want to be, yeah, it could be 0.
Oh.
And here you want to be in the middle between 6 and 11. So something like 8. You want to spawn them at the same spot?
Yeah.
All right. Are they friends? They're gonna attack each other.
Oh no. This is gonna be 7,
All right.
7,
Yeah.
0.
All right. Let's try it. Need to go back to the trident. Let's find a spot. Oh.
What? I wanted ice.
Oh, you moved. You can't move. Yeah, that's your ice. So because everything is relative to the player, you have to wait till they're done. Hey. Let's spawn it again, but you don't move at all. That's the
Okay.
problem. Because we do everything relative to the player, so that position
But
changes.
I just realized something. And I was really not very smart.
Oh, you want a few of them?
I want a lot. You know how hurtful
All right.
it is not.
Run, and then don't move.
9.
9. 9 times 2. Okay.
It's 18.
Spawn it, and then don't move at all.
I'm not.
Don't move, don't move. Wait. It's still spawning the fish.
I'm not moving.
There we go.
Uh-oh.
Now you can. Uh-oh.
Problem.
You spawned them under the ice. That can't be good. Let's go back to our code. These poor wolves.
Guys, get back on.
Oh, these poor bears.
But what did I do wrong?
Well, let's go into code. Probably
Oh.
messed up some number.
Oh. We might have a problem.
We spawned them at 7. I think we want to spawn them above the ice.
Oh, yeah. 8!
Yeah, 8.
8!
Alright, so let's do it again. One more time.
Why did you do that?
And that's going to be our last spawning for this session. Alright, now let's spawn it and we don't move until everything's done. Still moving, still moving, still moving. Oh, there we go. Good enough.
Good enough. I can live with it.
So we've got some bears over the ice in an aquarium, and then we've got a ton of fish, and yeah, and now we've got so many aquariums.
I'm trying to kill it.
Yeah, but you're spawning a full aquarium every time you
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Alright. Yeah, so don't forget to change weapon. There's one weapon. Oh, yeah. You can spawn.
It's fun. Oh, my God. That looks so
Oh, it's still running.
cool. What am I doing?
It's like trying to run all the times you right click, so it's got like some delay. It'll eventually do them all. That's a lot of aquarium. It's a lot of fish. All right, now let's go back to the code to show what we did.
It's still following me.
It's still following you. Yeah.
How much aquariums have I done?
You've spanned the right click quite a bit.
But it does look cool.
Yeah, it does look super cool. You're doomed to create aquarium your whole life now in Minecraft.
Well, let's just click. Okay.
All right, so let's see what we've done today for this session. We've done the aquarium tutorial
With a hint of Ice Age.
with a hint of Ice Age at the end. Nell's personal touch. And that concludes the MakeCode from Minecraft Education Edition show for today. And see you in another show.